This is the Divoom Times Frame, a futuristic pixel display with a transparent screen and smart features that might just make it the coolest digital frame. So if you're into cool desk setups, smart displays, or just love pixel art, this is one of the best designed, most creative digital frames out there right now. Let's see what we get inside the box. When you open the box, here's what you'll find neatly packed inside. The Divoom Times Frame itself. We'll take a closer look at it in just a moment. A user manual with quick setup instructions and a rundown of its key features. A soft silicone cleaning cloth, perfect for keeping the display free of dust and fingerprints. A USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable for powering up the device. Note, no charging adapter is included. And now the star of the show, the retro-style pixel art display that's absolutely packed with personality. The frame itself has a rugged matte finish, and it comes in 3 colors: black, white, and pink. There's a metallic loop hook at the top right corner, super handy for hanging or attaching accessories. The design is where the Times Frame really stands out. It features a 10.1-inch transparent LED display, so all your widgets, photos, and pixel art look like they're floating in mid-air. It has a crisp 1280 by 800 resolution with a slightly retro pixel feel that fits the Divoom aesthetic perfectly. On the side you get 2 tactile control dials, a function button, and a USB-C charging port below. The buttons feel premium and responsive. This thing instantly makes your desk setup look 10 times cooler. The Times Frame isn't just about looks, it's also smart. Here's what it can display. Custom clocks and dashboards, over 400 to choose from. Calendar view, countdown timers, reminders. Your own photo gallery, GIFs, and even videos. Pixel art animations from the massive Divoom creator library. And widgets for weather, social media stats, stock prices, and more. It runs over Wi-Fi 6. And everything is controlled via the Divoom app, which lets you upload, schedule, and customize all the content. For example, I uploaded a video of my cat, so if you give this to someone you care about, you can send photos or videos anytime, no matter how far apart you are. It's a sweet and creative way to say I miss you, with a little surprise and a lot of heart. Inside you get 64 gigabytes of internal storage, which can hold up to 700,000 images or over 6,000 minutes of video. No cloud subscription needed, it's all stored locally. And it's like you're never out of style. Pair it with the app and you've got full control over scheduling, brightness, display orientation, and even scrolling text messages or live pixel art created by users around the world. The Times Frame features a transparent display, a unique touch that adds a futuristic feel. While the transparency doesn't change the core experience much, it definitely looks cool and you can slightly see through it, which gives it a modern, high-tech vibe. Brightness can be easily adjusted using the physical dial on the side or remotely via the Divoom app. Super user-friendly. One of my favorite parts is the RGB ambient light strips on both sides. These lights are fully customizable. Pick any color to match your mood or room setup. And here's the cool part, the intelligent RGB lighting syncs with the rhythm of your music, turning your space into a mini light show. It adds a whole new level of atmosphere to your environment, whether you're relaxing, working, or having friends over. The display is built with a 3-layer tempered glass design, giving it that gallery-style premium feel. It doesn't just show content, it becomes part of your home's visual aesthetic. Using the Divoom Times Frame has been genuinely fun. It's not just a smart display, it's an interactive piece of digital art. Whether you're showing off pixel animations, tracking your daily calendar, syncing it with music, or just sharing personal photos and videos, it brings a unique vibe to any setup. Let me know in the comments, what would you use this frame for? Art? A smart calendar? A cool background display? Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like, subscribing to the channel for more tech content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.